Have you ever tried to buy a car part for your car and it doesn't quite fit, or it's entirely the wrong part? In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to find a part number so you can make sure you're purchasing the right part for your car. I'm Rick from ifndautoparts, the only marketplace that you should be using to buy and sell your automotive parts. A spare part number is the manufacturer's way of identifying auto parts. It could be written on the spec sheet, the packaging, or on the auto part itself. Auto part number standards differ across part classes. For example, electrical auto parts have different number standards when compared to transmission parts. Knowing the part number minimises the chance of you buying parts that won't work with your vehicle. Spare part numbers differ between different makes and models, and manufacturers and OEM part manufacturers also have their own different systems for listing part numbers. But how can you find your part number? Examine the part and check for any alphanumeric code or combination. You may not see it right away, especially if it's been covered by grease, soot or oil. In such a case, wash the auto part and wipe it clean and copy the markings on the part. The numbering can be tiny and challenging to read with the naked eye. To make the number more legible, consider using a magnifier or highlighting the code with a marker. If the characters are embossed, you can trace them by using a clean sheet of paper and a pencil. If there is no number on the part, you can search the original packaging for a part number, or search for the part by looking up the VIN number. VIN stands for Vehicle Identification Number and is a unique alphanumeric code used to identify a car. If you can't find the part number, the VIN number can be very useful. Check out our video on how to find the VIN number on your car. Once you've found it, you'll be able to look up your VIN number and check the vehicle's history and use it on ifndautoparts to find compatible parts for your car. So now, when you order car parts, hopefully they'll be the right ones.
Stock more car parts, is it?
No, it's an early Christmas present for you.